Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I want to talk to you about the collaboration between LEGO and the mobile and generally racing game Asphalt Legends Unite, or now called only Asphalt Legends. In this collaboration we've seen in total up until now, since last year or start of this year, um, 4 cars in total that have been part of this collaboration. The Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, the Aston Martin Mercury, the Lamborghini Revuelto, and the newest one, which is even an event going on for right now, the Ferrari FXXK. So now, what's this collaboration? At first of all, you get in real life the usual Lego product of a car, of a licensed car, and in this packaging you get a code. This code gives you, next to enough blueprints to unlock the car in game, also some extra rewards, like I think 1,000 or 1,500 tokens and like 1 million credits, which is quite nice, not gonna lie. And since I already said, for the FX6K and for all the other ones, we had events in the game where you had the chance to, or still have right now, the chance to unlock these cars completely for free. Now, the Lego Rebel Alto and the Ferrari FX6K both had these tour events, which we had 3 stages in which you got, for the Rebel Alto enough, for the FX6K almost enough blueprints to unlock. Uh, for both tours I made separate videos. I even made these videos with touch drive. I'm gonna link all of these in my description box. Check out if you are a touch driver. Also, I'm also linking the FXXK event from Gaming with Awesome, the video about it, because he's a way better touch drive player than me. I'm mostly MD or manual drive. So my touch drive skills are worse than noobish. And yeah. Now, as I said in the title, I think this collaboration is both a blessing and a curse. In my opinion, it's a blessing because we get sets in real life which look really, really nice and aren't too expensive, except the Rebel Alto, which is also the biggest one from them all, but that doesn't matter for now. And we get in-game new cars, and then you get, for the codes. The codes are also a little benefit in my opinion, but the codes are also the biggest downside. First of all, my opinion on these codes is obviously, if you buy the set, the code is yours, and if you wanna share it or not, it's your choice at the end of the day. This is just my opinion about the general situation in for example, in the comments of many Lego reviews about the Lego set. And just gonna, while I'm talking some nonsense here, I'm gonna roll out some screenshots I made of any of these videos, any comment section about these collab sets. You will find one of these, at least one, on one of these questions, which is, in my opinion, first of all, why the car is completely for free available in game. If you max it out or not, mostly it's not worth it because it's a collection car, not a super good and very usable car. The Corvette had 2 events in which you could max it out. The Valkyrie was a Grand Prix event where you got it as well, where you could unlock it from just playing the event for free. Rebel Alto and FX6K have both the identical event, and as I already said, for the FX6K you almost get enough to unlock it. For the Revo Alto you get enough to unlock it completely, and even some over the top. If you wanna start up or not, it's your choice. If you wanna spend it, it's your choice. I just think these codes are just don't give the blueprints to unlock and max out the car immediately. It only gives, I think, as much blueprints as you need to unlock the initial car. For the Ferrari FX6K, for example, 30. For the Rebel Auto 25. For the Mercury again 30. And for the Chevrolet Corvette you get 45 blueprints. So this is by far enough in my opinion. You buy the set to get both the set in real life, the car in real life, to hold it in hand or play with it, whatever you want to do. And you also get the car in game, plus some goodies next to it. Now, why am I even making a video about this, even though it's not technically my problem to talk about? First of all, these codes are one use only, and most of these creators are using these codes anyways. So asking for these codes is not worth it, I guess, because the codes have already been used. And yeah, I don't think you should ask for them because either the creator shares it with you or not. It's his, as I already said, if you are the owner to the code, it's your opinion if you share it or not. And this asking for it looks for me a bit like you are greedy and want it. Now, I'm also finding this very annoying because why don't you just go in the game, play the event, unlock the car, and you are done. You don't need to ask for the code. And yeah, the maxing out purpose is, in my opinion, not worth it because it's just a collection car. None of these cars are standing very much out in terms of performance compared to other cars at the same rank in game. And yeah, I have all of them unlocked. I've bought myself the Ferrari FX6K set, which I'm gonna get in like today, tomorrow, or Friday, depending on when I'm going. Depending on how fast the shipping and the delivery is. And yeah, okay, to get back to the topic because I went a bit abroad. In my opinion, if you want the code for it, either buy the set yourself or don't, and then don't ask for the code. And yeah, the car is again, and I said it 5 times, I'm saying 5 more times, the car is completely for free available in game already, or has been available. If you can't get it or couldn't get it, I'm sorry, either you are lazy or just have such a big skill issue to get it, because these requirements are, in my opinion, very easy to do. I had with the Rebel Auto, I didn't have any problem. With the Ferrari FX6K, I didn't have a problem. I even did it with the Ferrari FX6K in touch drive mode, in which I'm the worst player in the world probably. And if I can do it, you can do it very easily. So why? Why would you ask for the code if you already got the car? It's like not making sense for me. The cars are for free available in game, you get it in game and you're done with it. If it reappears in another event sometime later on, you get there the chance to start up or max it out. So don't ask for the code. Behave, guys. These reviewers that build the Lego sets and show it to you mostly even use the codes almost immediately because or either they can't share it with you because they mostly get these sets provided by the Lego group completely for free. I bought it for my own money, so I could share the code, but I'm not gonna because it's my code again. It's my opinion and my choice what I'm gonna do with it. And yeah, if you want the code, buy it yourself. Simple as that. And before you think I'm toxic, mean, or something like that, or greedy in general, I would have to disagree. Because if I would be greedy, I would be the same as all the other guys and asking for the code as well. But certainly I'm not. And yeah, I'm not gonna share my code because I bought the set from my own money. I spent money on it. why should I give give my money away? Let's say it like that. Because the in-game rewards are not quite the 45 euros you pay, for example, for the FXXK pack, but yeah, it's not quite that, but it's something around the 5 to 10 euros range, something like that. Around the 1000 tokens and 1 million credits are like 10 to 15 euros, and the 30 blueprints are like another 2 to 5 euros. And now to come finally to an end in this video. Also, I think this asking for the code adds nothing to the value of the commentary section of the video they are creating. They make these videos so that you can take a look at it and decide for yourself if you want to buy it or not. Not if you can get the code for free or not. Simple as that. And putting so many comments in the description and saying, in the comment section, sorry, and saying, can I have the code? If you don't use it, can I have the code? And even asking, what is wrong with asking for the code? I already explained it like in the in the past 11 minutes. And yeah, either get the set and a special code, a one-use code again for it yourself, or just don't try about it if they don't share the code with you because they don't need to. And yeah, if you can't unlock it in the game, just get good. I can't say it otherwise, I'm sorry. I know this sounds mean, but there are literally videos out there on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever platform you use. For example, my videos are out there as well, showcasing the entire event and how you can play it to get all the rewards available. So, like, again, I know this is a rant from my side and probably doesn't make sense to half the people watching this video, but you get the car in-game one way or another. You don't need the code, and asking for the code in the commentary section is, in my opinion, wrong on so many levels. Not only are you trying to take away something from the creator, his code, and also wasting his time, but because he has to read these comments over and over and over again. Some people even some creators even started deleting these comments because they got so annoyed by it. And in my opinion, they are doing it right. Either ignore it or delete it. Because, yeah, for me, for example, if you comment under one of my videos, I get on my phone a YouTube notification that you commented, and I get a YouTube Studio notification that you commented under my video. So I get two notifications each time one person comments. So, and now if I get 100 comments, these are 200 notifications in total. And if 50 of these 100 comments are about the code, I would be so mad because I don't make the video to respond to half of the comments to being asking for the codes, but rather to give you the chance to look at the set for yourself for free on YouTube and then decide if you want to buy it yourself or not. And yeah, now I'm finally going to stop with this trend. I've now talked 13 and a half, almost 14 minutes about why I think this is a blessing and a curse. Blessing obviously because you get goodies and for example, for the Ferrari FXXK, a really nice set. The FXXK is, in my opinion, the best of the four we got. And yeah, small disclaimer at the end. I know I should have done it at the start, but I'm gonna do it at the end now. The McLaren Senna GTR, I think, or just the McLaren Senna? I think McLaren Senna GTR we have in game, the Lego version of it, is not a part of this collaboration. And with this, I would also like to end the video at this point. If I just keep going, I'm gonna say more and more nonsense, and this would nothing add to the video's value. And yeah, but now it's your time to tell me in the comments if you agree with me, if you disagree with me. Should the codes be multiple uses or just one use? In my opinion, obviously it should be one use, because if you cannot use it multiple times, you could max out the car, for example, which is not wanted by neither Lego nor Asphalt devs. And yeah, Now, one last final word I have to say. If you are one of these people that have commented, can I get the code? I was at that point too, but I deleted my comment, which was years ago, no, not years ago, months ago, when the Corvette first started coming out. I was one of these discussing people. I deleted the comment because, as I said, I think it's wrong to ask for it in the first place, but yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments your opinion about this situation, and I'll catch you again in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.